If you want to know how you can use Samsung's Smart Switch app to transfer your data from your old device into the new one, then watch this video till the end so that you won't miss any of the steps. But before that, you know the drill. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative videos like this. So first, make sure you have installed Smart Switch application on both of your devices. Now secondly, the main and important thing is that make sure you have connected both the devices to the same Wi-Fi network. And as you can see, both my devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now here I have opened the application on both my devices. Now on my old device, I'll click on Let's Go and Wireless. And on my new device, I'll click on Receive Data option, and here you need to choose Android or iPhone, whatever your preferences are, and click on Wireless option. Now wait for a couple of seconds. Now here you will receive an invitation to connect your new device to your old one. So here just click on Accept option. And after a couple of seconds, both the devices will get connected and you can easily transfer your data from one device to another. Now here are a couple of options. So select the option which is suitable to you, and after that just click on the next option. Now as you can see, data sharing process is started. Here are some points to keep in mind. First of all, make sure both your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And secondly, if the sharing has not started yet, then turn on your mobile data, which may be helpful in some cases. And that's how you can use Samsung's Smart Switch application to transfer your data from your old device into the new one. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, then do give it a like and make sure to subscribe. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.